AI is changing everything, isn't it? I mean, it really feels like we're at a turning point.
It does. According to Ravindra Dustikope, it's a real discontinuity because AI is making intelligence itself cheap and accessible.
So it's not just about automating tasks then.
Exactly. AI can handle cognitive tasks like writing, coding, and analyzing at almost no cost. It's good enough for everyday use, even if it is not perfect.
Okay, so how does this differ from previous waves of automation?
Well, previous automation replaced muscle, but this wave touches judgment and thinking, so it creates uncertainty and challenges people's professional identity.
Right. But how do we navigate this uncertainty without freezing up?
It's about understanding how AI can automate, accelerate, or elevate specific tasks and focusing on what unique value humans bring beyond the machine.
This also seems true when it comes to manufacturing, right?
Definitely. AI enables factories to learn and adapt, redefining how products are designed and produced, shifting from automation that follows rules to systems that learn from experience.
So what's the key takeaway here?
The age of AI requires that humans be more deliberate and responsible. It means learning to think with machines without surrendering judgment.